Airclips.com.
Gear speed. We just seen shortly. That'll work out quite well.
Unrestricted links, James 580.
Yes, and walk out.
Is that for us, wouldn't it? Copy, be looking James 580. 4,000 for the bus. And
Righto, nice and square it up now if you're happy.
hey,
And speed check gear down, please.
and speed is good. Selected. Few contrails above us there.
Yeah, it's good, eh? Looks like he's going straight up.
Okay, delivery we are 5 miles. We've got 4 greens.
Oh, good.
And that's landing gear. Is sorted hydraulic reservoir nozzle steer.
Check.
Landing taxi lights.
10 and on.
And flaps.
And 17.
Speed's good, going 17. Selected, manoeuvring 122.
28, final.
Speed's good, going 28.
Can we roll out if you just don't mind asking for a wind check, please?
Hey, and manoeuvring now is 117 knots. And we're approximately 3.5 miles. And it's alright, Terry, just requesting a wind check. Excellent, and clear to land runway 11, Jennings 580. And look good. 1 red, 3 whites, and I'll get you a wind in a sec, 136, 136.
And so
a lot of wind.
left to right, right to left to right.
Hey, looking at that, you got 1 or 2 knots on the nose, and plus around about 22, and you got about 500 of the powers. We have 4 greens, we've got a landing clearance, and plus around about 18, and you've got around about 300 on the powers there. Zero wind at this stage. Plus 10. 300, 400 on the powers, looking good. Plus 5. Oh, lovely. And retracting flat.
Go tops.
And
Lights going in.
go to this frequency, thank you, Jennings 580.
Inverter.
Inverter. And they're both stable.
Yeah.
Alright, afters are coming up. And that one can come down. So, after landings, flaps are up, trims are neutral, sync control is set at MFDs down to standby, and ACAS is down to standby anti-ice. 4 off my side.
4 off my side.
And strobes landing taxi lights.
Correct.
And they are off, clear of the active runway there, and flight plan is terminated. Checks are complete. Approaching ramp checks are next.
Brakes are checked.
And brakes checked. Hydraulic pressure is 2,800. And shutdown checks are next. So time 1 hour 33, not bad for down.
Airclips.com.